Okay, you guys, as promised, I'm going to show you how to make a Shakeology chocolate that actually tastes good, and I've had lots of practice. So I take 1 scoop full of the Shakeology. If you still think that it's too much after we're done with this and you try it the next time, then only do half a scoop. There is a line right there. And then just to the eye, I put in some non-fat yogurt vanilla. Mix it up a little bit, and then I just kind of throw a little bit in. Not a lot. And if I'm just measuring by my eye, but if you want to get really strict with calories, then you can go ahead and measure it out. In 1 cup there's 200. So I would say probably in there right now is between 80 and 100. And then I just buy at the store some of the Triple Berry Fruit Blend. It has blueberries, blackberries, and red raspberries. But they also have ones with strawberries. I know, Laura, you mentioned that's your favorite. And then just as much as I want, because I love fruit, so I put a ton in there. And then the last piece is, sorry for my back, is just ice. And again, I put in probably, if you have a line on your blender, probably to like number 3 with ice. That's what it ends up being. And then I add water. So, Michael, follow me over here, bud. I add some hot water to sort of melt some of the ice. And again, I go up to the number 3. And then I place it in the blender. And hopefully you have a blender that's why I put the water in too, because if you don't, you can burn the motor with the ice in there. Believe me, I've smelled it before, so I'm just letting you know I've learned from experience. And I have a frozen drink blend. Okay, and sometimes I have to mix it a couple of times because it may get a little bit, the ice. And then just to make sure, I also do a little bit of ice crust. And I watch it, make sure it comes all the way up to the top. Again, I may have to shake it again. But then the consistency is pretty good, if you can see right in there. This is actually thinner than I like, but in any event, I could add more ice and make it a little bit thicker. But it's a personal choice. So hopefully that helps. And you can do the same thing for anything, whether you put in almond milk or a different kind of fruit. It's the same concept. Have fun. Let me know if you have questions. Talk to you soon.